In the previous video, we have defined what are mathematical functions, and today I'm going to talk about how can we find the domain of these functions. The domain is actually all the possible inputs on which function is defined, right? So let's take an example as y equal to x plus 1. Since this is a real valued function and it is defined for every real number, so the domain of this function is set of real numbers, and we can write it as minus infinity to infinity. And similarly for quadratic functions, the domain is real numbers, and so on for polynomials. Now let's take a rational function as 1 over x minus 1. Since we can't divide by 0, so put the denominator not equal to 0 and we get x not equal to 1. So the domain of this function is all real numbers except 1, right? So and we can write as minus infinity to 1 union 1 to positive infinity.